Biyernes ng hapon po mga kababayan, we survived another week. Yay! Pero alam ko po, pag weekend, I'm sure you're all in the weekend relax mode. This may be a great way for you to also think about your career. Are you in the right direction? Yun po bang trabaho nyo makes you want to get out of bed every morning? If not, it may be time to change. And we have pointers for you today on the show as we talk about Asian Professional Exchange or APEX. Kasama po natin yan ang ating kababayan si Dave Ong. Hello and welcome to the program.
Magandang umaga.
Ayan. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon. Ay, sorry po.
Oo. Ano ba yung APEX?
Yung APEX po ay isang stands for APEX Professional Exchange. Isa siyang community, non-profit organization na maraming lahi na hindi na Filipino, may mga Koreano, Chinese, kahit ano lahi, na Asian na lahi na nagtutulong para sa community ng mga Asian Americans.
Okay. What is the mission of APEX?
Ang mission namin ay may tatlong importanteng goal is community service, personal development, and personal growth.
Okay. And when you say personal development and personal growth, of course, always career comes to mind. No? That's the key word. And you're going to have a career symposium very soon, right?
Opo.
Okay. Then, can you tell us about the symposium?
Yung symposium nasa October 16 na 2010 mag-umpisa sa Wilshire, mangyayari sa Wilshire Grand Hotel sa downtown LA. Ay isang malaking event ng APEX every year na nagkakaroon. May maraming events, maraming pwede gawin doon.
Okay.
Na marami kang matututo doon.
Oh, what happens pagka sa symposium?
Meron may networking luncheon na pag nandoon ka ay may alam mo yung pagkataon na makausap mo yung mga sa profession na gusto mo. Kuwari gusto mo trabaho para sa kumpanya na to, hindi mo, wala kang kilala.
Right.
May opportunity ka na pumunta ka doon, may makakausap mo sila face to face, and para may chance ka makapasok sa industry na yun.
Aside from that, what else are the benefits of attending the symposium?
Well, meron kaming career fair, so maraming, like I said, maraming kumpanya nandoon.
So may mga recruiters, no?
May mga recruiter.
Would you suggest that we bring our resume or CV pagkapunta namin doon?
Well, talagang importante, madala mo yung resume mo. May magagawin pa is, meron ding
may professional workshops also.
May workshops. Meron din resume,
resume building, resume writing
may resume
workshop.
building na magtutulong sa'yo. Kuwari sabihin natin, ay medyo kulang itong resume mo, pwede mo pagandahin. Pwede mo dagdag to, or anong sabihin nila, anong tanggalin mo.
Okay, now I remember, because we had this also last year. APEX also had a symposium last year, and we talked about that here on the show. What's nice about this symposium is you're not just networking with professionals, kaya ng sinabi ni Dave, meron din silang mga workshops, so how to do a job interview, how to write a resume. And what I like is, it says here, yung resume, merong on-site resume critique. So kung may mali yung resume mo, kung maling pagkakasulat, di ba? Tayo, di ba, sanay tayo sa Pilipinas, yung resume natin, pwede 2 pages, 3 pages. Di ba? Dito, ayaw nila ng ganon.
Mas gusto nila dito na 1 page ng resume mo kasi mas madalas sila tingin-tingin lang tapos ayaw nila yung tao na to, tanggalin nila.
Right,
so pag ginamit mo yung resume builder namin na magtutulong sa'yo on-site na titignan nila yung resume mo para ayusin, lahat mapupunta mo 1 page lang tapos mas maganda tignan.
Okay. That said, sino bang dapat pumunta dito sa career symposium na ito?
Lahat, kahit sino pwede pumunta. Kung wari, may trabaho ka pero at the same time, sabi mo nga na parang kuminsan ayaw mo pumasok sa trabaho na yun para pag punta ka doon, maraming kumpanya, tapos mga college students, or kung estudyante ka ngayon, para ready ka na pag tapos mo ng college, may mahanap kang trabaho agad. So
even older people can go? Yung mga in their 40s, 50s, na gustong magpalit ng trabaho, pwede pa rin?
Pwede pa rin.
Okay, alright. And you will definitely learn from the workshops as well. Ikaw naman, paano ka na-involved dito?
Nasali ako sa APEX nung tinanong ako kasi mahilig ako mag-photography. So tinanong ako ng pinsan ko kung pwede ako mag-photographer sa isang event nila. And tapos nun sabi ko, okay, pumunta ako. May fashion show kasi, so nag-photograph ako sa fashion show na yun. Nagustuhan ko. So, medyo gusto ko rin maging career na photographer. So after nung event na yun, mula nun, pinursu ko na, kung may kailangan sila na tulong. Na nagbo-volunteer ako na photographer.
And so are you going to be taking pictures also at the career symposium?
Yes, I'll mag-picture din ako doon.
Ayan. At kung gusto niyo pong magpa-picture, hanapin niyo si Dave doon sa career symposium. And that is happening on October 16th. Anong oras pa ito?
Mula 12 o'clock hanggang 6 p.m.
Okay, so 12 to 6. Do you need to be there from start to finish or pwedeng pakonti-konti lang?
Pakonti-konti lang. Kung gusto mo mas maaga pumunta, okay din. Pero marami kasi hindi lang mahirap mag-parking din sa downtown LA. So, mas maganda kung medyo agahan mo para makahanap ka ng parking at saka medyo mas settle in ka rin. Tsaka pwede ka rin makipag-usap sa mga ibang attendees.
And the thing is, you have to pay a registration fee for this.
Yes.
How much is it?
It should be $40 for non-members, 30 for premium members.
Kasama na ba dun yung lunch?
Yung $40 tsaka $30.
Okay.
Tsaka pag estudyante ka, magdala ka ng ID mo. Importante yung ID kasi malaking tulong yun dahil may discount ka makukuha din sa day na yun.
Alright.
And kung gusto mo lang sa symposium lang, yung event fare, $15 pa.
Walang pagkain.
Walang pagkain. Pero yun yung afternoon ng kainan.
Pero what a treat. Sulit na yun.
Kasi yung
$40 may kasama ng lunch, di ba?
So yung kainan na yun, pwede mo rin makaupo yung mga nasa industry yan.
Right,
so,
correct.
pwede mo sila makausap agad.
Okay, well, thank you so much. If you want more information, that's the website on the screen. Again, this is happening on October 16th from 12 noon to 6 p.m. Thank you so much. And hopefully I see you there.
I will be there.
All right. Magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.
Monopoly is back at McDonald's. And this year, 1 in 4 wins. So every peel could be the one. Monopoly at McDonald's. The simple joy of winning.
Last haunt was only a bad dream compared to this year. Our numbers have grown, our mazes are more evil, and our contraptions more brutal.